Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a Stitch Fix unboxing. And I've got some spring goodies in the box. I requested spring and colorful. So my stylist Candace has put together a collection of items and I'm going to try them on for you. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a fabulous styling subscription service and you can request a box from your stylist as often as you would like. You can do weekly fixings, monthly fixings, seasonal fixings, whatever suits you. It's very flexible, which is one of the things I really love about Stitch Fix is they're very flexible. It's automatic. You just put it in there and you can change it around if you feel like, oh, my upcoming stitch is too soon, or maybe it's not soon enough. So you can go in and change it around as best as you would like. Hi, baby. I gave my little guy a bath today and I haven't brushed him completely out yet. Anyway, Stitch Fix is a fabulous styling service. It is subscription and you can request a fix as often as you would like. You can change it. Nothing's set in stone. There is a $20 styling fee and the prices are really reasonable. You have the option to put the price range that you're looking for, and I do find that overall their prices are pretty good compared to, say, Trunk Club and some of the other services. But I have my spring box and I requested this with a kind of transition into spring in mind. And so I'm going to go ahead and dive into the items that they sent me, and I'm going to tell you all about them as we go along. And if you like this type of thing, I love doing unboxings. And if you like this type of thing, hit the subscribe button and please make sure to hit the thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying it. So let's dive in. The first thing that I have on is actually this top and a pair of jeans that they sent me. This is kind of a boho style blouse. It has elastic. It's like a 3/4 sleeves. There's elastic at the sleeve, which is nice because then when you kind of roll it up, it will stay. And then there's a little this buttons, or you can do as I'm doing and not button it, but the buttons go all the way to here. So it's just like a 1/4 top of buttons. And it's very blousey, free flowing as I like to call it. And it's a very light fabric. I love the summery feel. I feel like on a hot day this would be nice and cool, and it's kind of a fun pattern. It's, you know, a little longer in the back, then kind of has the scoop sides, which is nice. And then these jeans are really cute. They are a nice fit. They're very stretchy, which I love. The pockets in the back, I don't know if you can see them. They're just, you know, no fancy stitching or anything, but they're very comfortable and they come cuffed. So I think that these would be really flexible. There's no distressing. I feel like this dark color would be really, you could dress it up a little bit more. So here's the first outfit. I've got the same pair of jeans on and the new top. I think boho is the theme of this box because this is very boho as well. It has a similar sleeve with the elastic at the cuff, and it's a 3/4 sleeves. Again, I like that because I like to pull my sleeves up, especially if it's hot. I also love the detail around the bottom of this. And again, it's free flowing. The colors are really pretty. They're like reds and pinks, and so it's kind of a florally pattern, but it's very comfortable material. Again, I could see transitioning into warmer days that this would be really comfortable. Now there is a button here. You could button it like this, gives it another look. But I think it looks better unbuttoned. But it is quite pretty. And I can also see this with a white pair of jeans. I think this would look really pretty. And I do think I love the colors of this. And the other top that I just took off, the boho style top, I think would look really fabulous with a white pair of jeans. And she also referenced that in her notes to me. I love this color, it's so pretty for spring. And I love the printed polka dots on it. How fun is that? And then it's got this button tab. And again, it's free flowing. It's got the scoop at the sides. What do you think? I think it's pretty. Here is the same top that I just had on with a white pair of jeans. I got these in my fix probably last summer. But to give you an idea how this would look with white, since white is a popular spring and summer color, that I wanted to try these on for you with the white jeans. Here these are with the white jeans. I really like this much better. I think it's too much blue with the denim for my taste. I would definitely wear, my preference would be to wear this with the white jeans. And with the white jeans and this top, I just think that these look so, I don't know, I think you notice the color more against the white crisp jeans. What do you think? What's your favorite top? These are the shoes that came in this fix. I think they're so darn cute. And they're padded, they're Dulce Vita. They're padded at the sole, but they're padded at the straps as well. And it's like that neoprene material, so I feel like they would be waterproof and very comfy. So I'm gonna try them on next, right? How cute are these? They're so cute. They definitely feel like slippers. They are totally slippers. And I don't know necessarily if I would pair it with the top. I did mention that I'd like a complete outfit, and she suggested I wear it with my Bermuda shorts that I have, but maybe they feel, I don't know what it is. What are your thoughts on these? I'm not really quite sure how I feel about them. They're very comfortable, and I know these slides are very in right now, and I love the color. I don't think the color would go with the other two tops. It's going to go with this more than anything. In summary, I think it was a very nice box. I think that she did a really good job. My stylist's name is Candace, and she did a nice note here which referenced, you know how you can go onto the Stitch Fix website, or if you use the app, and they give you, every week they put inspiration styles that you can pin onto your Stitch Fix and save it and make any notes. And so I've been doing that every week. And so she referenced the things that I've pinned, and she's also referenced previous Stitch items that I've purchased. So I like that attention to detail. Let me summarize everything that's in this fix, okay? Starting with the jeans. These are a nice dark denim. The cuff, they're capri, and the cuff is stitched. And these are by Liverpool. And they're called the Belinda Cropped Skinny Jean in Indigo for $88. We also have these lovely slides by Dulce Vita called Park Slide Flat in light blue for $50. And you'll have to give me your opinion on these items, which ones you liked the best. This top is by Mason & Bell. It's called the Terran Volume Sleeve in pink for for $44, and I think that's a pretty good price for that. This adorable polka dot top is by Lush. It's the worn split neck blouse in light green, also for $44. The label on this is Daniel Rain, and it's the Aimlee split neck top in off-white for $68. So that is it. Let me know your thoughts on that. I thought it was a pretty fun box. If you'd like to try Stitch Fix, make sure you use the link below. That'll give you $25 off your first box. That is a nice savings. It also gives me $25 off, so it's a win-win. I thank you for watching. I do have another Front Door Fashion coming, so stay tuned. Please check back.